Think of someone on your mind that you want to spend a second with. Maybe a minute, maybe an hour, maybe a whole damn day.
Maybe a whole damn day.
And I'm going to press start.
Guys, this is my first time doing this, so.
First guest ever in a Booty Army
judgment.
live stream. Let's go, Jordy. Bro. Over your head. Good. You're touching that sexy body. Jordy, oh my God, we just started.
I'm sufficiently turned on right now.
Again, we're going on our grinder hookup. We're kind of nervous.
Is it going to be a catfish?
It might be a catfish.
We don't know yet.
It looked too good to be true. Let's take it down our bodies. Now take your time. One more time, slow. Jordy wants to take his time with you.
We can get a little faster though.
All right, you said it. Hey! Take it down.
Touch my body like you mean it. Come and meet me in the shower. Got me rolling back my eyes like it's a superpower.
Last one.
You can have me if you want.
I'm burning.
Another second.
God, Jordy, you're turning me on. Bro.
Let's keep it going. I don't care about the day.
Oh!
Slap it! All right.
Sorry about it.
Jordy wants a slap. And we're going to give it to him. As long as it's not the clap. Pop your peach. Go. Yes. Take it high. Oh, my God. He's doing some tricks over here. Pop.
Let's go.
Down. Go.
Oh, the mic.
The mic is homophobic.
No, we're good.
You can have me if you want to stay.
Take off your towel. Here we go. Take off your towel and take a shower. Get all wet. You're soaking wet. Jordy's ruined our mic pack.
Hey guys.
There's water all over it. We're getting down nice and low. And Jordy's gonna pop his peach. Oh my God. Other way. Jordy has clearly been to WeHo Pride before.
My little party trick.
So it wasn't a catfish.
It was real.
You're having the best time of your life.
Oh!
And it turned out that your hookup was really Jordy. And I don't regret it.
Oh my gosh. I love you guys.
Thank you so much.
Mwah.
Everyone, you can stream this song.
I love you guys. Thank
You
you.
can stream this song on Spotify, Apple Music, and follow Jordy on all of the accounts at JORDY. Right?
JORDY.
Let's go.
Thanks for having me, guys. I love you.
Love you.
Bye, Jordy.